Hello, my name is Francisco and I'm 10 years old. I was born in Argentina, but I live in Barcelona with my father, my mother, and my uncle. My favorite food is pizza and sausages. I like maths and English. My favorite subject is maths. This is a cool hall.
Hello, my name is Tomás. I'm 10 years old. I was born in Barcelona. I live in Barcelona with my mom and my sister. I like football and basketball. And school I'm good and PE and maths. My favorite football team is Football Club Barcelona. This is Spicy Room 30.
Hello, my name is Sagarra. I'm 11 years old. I was born in Egypt, but I live in Barcelona with my mother Ola and my brother Khalil. I like art and dancing. At school, I'm good at art and English. My favorite food is banana and couscous. I like Beyonce. This is the art room at the school.
Hello, my name is Saida. I'm 11 years old. I was born in Pakistan, but I live in Barcelona. Watch my brother, sister, and mom, and my dad. I like spaghettis and salad. At school, I'm good at English and music. My favorite subjects are English and music. This is a music room.